SpeedBox. Break the limits. SpeedBox 1.6 for Bosch with rim magnet, optionally with B.Tuning. Necessary tools. Removing the rim magnet. Speed sensor installation. Removing the cover. SpeedBox installation. Cover assembly. Tuning control. After the first turning on of the e-bike after the tuning installation, it is necessary to enter the menu and check the wheel circumference of your e-bike. You can activate and deactivate the SpeedBox by entering walk assist mode briefly. In this case, by pressing the minus button for a while. The display shows values of 3.5 or 2.5, depending on whether the SpeedBox is active or inactive. Activate or deactivate the tuning before the ride, not during riding. If you do not have a walk function enabled on your e-bike, you can also activate or deactivate the tuning by switching between two assistance modes twice. When riding with the tuning turned on, the speed displayed is slightly lower than the real one. When you stop your e-bike, the ongoing countdown process will be indicated by the increasing and then decreasing speed. Once the countdown process is completed, the display shows 0.0 kilometers per hour. You can set the maximum speed of the electrical assistance by switching the modes quickly in the order shown in the video. The maximum speed of the electrical assistance can be set by activation and deactivation of the walk function. The last displayed limit will be saved after 15 seconds of inactivity. However, we recommend not to exceed a speed of 35 km per hour. The maximum speed of the electric assistance can also be set by spinning the rear wheel. If you have the B.Tuning version, you can pair your e-bike with the SpeedBox app. Non-B.Tuning versions do not have a Bluetooth technology and cannot be paired with your smartphone. This mobile application allows you to monitor your performance, view diagnostic data of your e-bike, control the tuning and save your trips. The SpeedBox app home screen displays your riding data and information about both yours and your motor's power and energy consumption. The diagnostics part then shows even detailed parameters of your ride, e-bike and battery. In settings you may change the PIN or service password, reset the chipset, the speed warning or speed limit and switch between kilometers and miles. If you want to reinstall the rim magnet, first disable the SpeedBox using the combination shown in the video. The display shows a speed of 12.0 kilometers per hour. If you uninstall rim magnet again, you can activate SpeedBox using the combination shown in the video. The display shows a speed of 11.0 km/h.